Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove filters from TikTok videos. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Essentially, there isn't any way that you can remove filters from uploaded TikTok videos, but the videos that are being uploaded, you can remove filters, and I will show you how. For that, all you have to do is click on this plus button which is on the bottom of your screen and choose the video that you want to upload. Click next. Let's say you want to add filters here first. Now, as you can see, here is a filter. To remove this filter, all you gotta do is click on this filter again and click to normal. That's how you can remove filter in your TikTok videos. It's easy and simple. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.